Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best key tool is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets you can add to your everyday carry, designed to tackle a surprising range of tasks with its compact and clever engineering, making it an essential companion for anyone who values preparedness and efficiency in a small package. Number 5. MULWARK 17 PCS Folding Allen Wrench Set. Introducing the MULWARK 17 PCS Folding Allen Wrench Set, your ultimate solution for both metric and standard SAE needs. This versatile tool is designed for efficiency and convenience. This comprehensive set includes 17 pieces crafted from premium materials for exceptional performance. Its unique flexible angle design makes it perfect for working in tight spaces and various environments. It covers a wide array of sizes, including metric from 1.5mm to 8mm and SAE from 5/64" to 1/4. You'll have the right size for almost any job. Made from high-grade alloy steel, it offers maximum performance with an ideal balance of strength and allowable angle. This ensures it works perfectly in confined spaces and is less prone to stripping. The ergonomic handle provides great leverage and torque, allowing you to tighten fasteners much better and faster. Experience a comfortable grip for extended use. Designed for smooth operation with comfortable handles, this set is built for extended use. It's an excellent gift idea for both hobbyists and professionals. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive 17-piece collection with a unique flexible angle design, making it ideal for working in tight spaces. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for better leverage and torque. If you frequently tackle basic home repairs or need versatile hex key solutions, this is a great choice for its adaptability and ease of use. What people say. The tool is very compact and fits easily in a pocket. It has a good selection of tools for everyday tasks. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 4. 17-in-1 Multitool Knife. Introducing the ultimate multi-tool, designed to be your go-to gadget for any adventure. It packs 17 essential tools into one compact design. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough jobs, while the rust-resistant coating keeps it in top condition. Don't let its size fool you. This portable tool is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. It's perfect for survival situations or everyday tasks. Experience comfort and control with its ergonomic, non-slip handle. Designed for one-handed operation, it makes tackling any task simple and safe. Looking for a gift that impresses? This multi-tool is ideal for anyone who loves the outdoors, camping, or survival. It comes in a gift box, ready for any occasion. From starting a fire to opening a bottle, this versatile tool has you covered. It includes a knife, saw, screwdrivers, window breaker, whistle, and much more. What we like. This multi-tool knife packs 17 different functions, including a fire starter, window breaker, and multiple screwdrivers, all crafted from high-quality 420 stainless steel. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for one-handed operation. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or someone who values preparedness for survival situations, this is the perfect everyday carry companion. What people say. The tool is very compact and fits easily in my pocket. It has a good selection of tools for everyday tasks. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 3. EDCFANS 8-in-1 Keychain Multitool. Introducing the ultimate everyday carry companion. This compact tool offers 8 essential functions, from opening boxes and bottles to tightening screws and bolts. Its minimalist design packs a powerful punch for all your daily needs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this multi-tool is built to last. It boasts excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and reliable functionality for any task. Its solid metal build and comfortable weight make it a pleasure to use. Designed for ultimate convenience, its compact size, lightweight build, and keychain clip mean it's always accessible. The one-handed operation and all locking features ensure safety and security, allowing you to tackle any cutting task with confidence. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This sleek and elegant multi-tool is the ideal present for men and women. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, graduations, or as a thoughtful business gift. As a must-have for camping and hiking, this multi-tool is perfectly sized and weighted for daily carry. Use it as your go-to keychain or survival gear for all your adventures. It's the ideal companion for any situation. What we like. This compact multi-tool is designed to be clipped onto your keychain, offering 8 essential tools like a box cutter, bottle opener, and screwdriver in a minimal package. It's made from durable stainless steel and features a secure locking mechanism for safety. If you're looking for an always-on-hand EDC item that handles everyday tasks without adding bulk, this is an excellent option. What people say. The tool is very well made and feels solid in the hand. It has a good selection of tools that are all useful. The locking mechanism on the blades is a great safety feature. Number 2. Nite's DoohicKey Keychain Multitool. Introducing the DoohicKey Plus, a revolutionary multi-tool that cleverly combines 8 essential functions into one sleek device. It's your go-to solution for everyday challenges. Experience ultimate convenience with its incredibly compact size. This tool slips easily onto your keychain without adding any unnecessary bulk. From stubborn bottles to tricky packaging and loose screws, it's always ready to help. Tackle any on-the-spot task with confidence and ease. Crafted from robust stainless steel, this tool is designed for daily use and built to withstand the test of time. It's a reliable companion for years to come. The innovative grippy edge ensures maximum control and precision. Effortlessly open bottles or utilize any of its functions with superior handling. What we like. This incredibly compact keychain tool cleverly integrates 8 useful functions, including a bottle opener, wrench, and multiple screwdrivers, into a small stainless steel device. Its minimalist design ensures it won't add bulk to your keychain while providing convenient access for on-the-spot tasks. If you appreciate ultimate portability and need quick access to basic tools for everyday convenience, this is the one. What people say. It is a solid piece of steel and weightless, making it a perfect EDC. It's got a bottle opener, a box cutter, and even a ruler, all in one tiny package. Great little tool to throw on your keychain and bust out when you need it. I've lost count of how many times I've busted this thing out to open a package, pry on something. And that's the whole point, not to necessarily be the best tool for the job, but to be the one you won't forget. Number 1. Wuwrll 26-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool. Introducing the Wuwrll 26-in-1 Multi-Tool, your ultimate companion for any task. This professional-grade tool is crafted from high-quality stainless steel for unmatched durability and performance. It's more than just a multi-tool, it's a versatile powerhouse. With 15 essential tools and an additional 11 screwdriver bits, it handles everything from repairs to everyday needs with ease. Crafted from premium 420H steel with a hardness of 45-52 HRC, this tool is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its corrosion-resistant design ensures it will be your reliable partner for years to come. Designed for life on the go, its compact and foldable nature makes it easy to carry in your pocket. It's perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and any outdoor adventure you embark on. You never know when you'll need a reliable tool. This multi-purpose gadget ensures you're always ready, whether it's for a quick fix or a challenging situation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This multifunctional pocket knife is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries for anyone who loves the outdoors. What we like. This professional multi-tool boasts an impressive 26-in-1 functionality, featuring pliers, a knife, and a wide array of screwdrivers with replaceable bits, all made from durable 420H steel. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry for various outdoor activities. If you need a robust and versatile tool that's ready for anything, especially for camping, fishing, or hiking, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The tool is very compact and fits easily in a pocket. It has a good selection of tools for everyday tasks. The build quality feels solid and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.